balance. As long as your hips are not dipped, that's good, okay? Working out oblique and pull it in. Working out oblique, pull it in. Rest when you need to. Stay pushing, stay moving. Alright, alright. Alright, Johnny, let's see how you doing here. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep moving, come on. Keep going, looking good. Staying strong. Dig through, don't move so far on the side. There you go. Lead the elbow. Stay strong. Breathe every time you go. Looking good, brother. Come on, push, push. Stay there. Good. Focus and go. Come on. Excellent. Come on, you got 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 20 seconds. Dig through. Come on, go. Come on, y'all. Push, push, push. Push, push. Get in there. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Shake it out. Good job. Guess what? We got another 15 seconds. We're doing another 15-second rotation, okay? So focus. Here we go. 15. Get down there. Here we go. 3, 2, 15 seconds only. Come on. And then you can get 15. Go, 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 go. Come on. Push. 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 Dig through. Come on. Come on. Come on. 4. Squeeze the core. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright guys, check it out. The next exercise we're doing is oblique rotation. Okay, what you want to do, take it up in the high plank. Okay, back to flat, core is nice and tight. You want to take the leg close to me. You want to take it to the opposite elbow. Come back, same flow. Come back. Opposite elbow, come back, same elbow, come back. Check it out. 30 seconds. On the right side, leg close to me. 30 seconds on the back. We ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. Push. Come on. Set the hips under. Tight up the core. Push through. Come on. Good job. All right, Rachel. Let's see what's going on here. Push. Excellent job. See how it's going. Cross it and center front. Boom. There you go. Cross it. And under, push. Keep going, stay strong. Look flat back, right here. Hips are under, contract the core. You guys got it, you feeling good? Let me check down here. Let me make sure you're right. 3, 2, other side. Switch it up, come on, go. Push, excellent. Suck it under, boom. Push, see how she's connected? She's bringing those obliques in, bringing in the abs. Come on, push. Focus. She's exhaling every time that knee comes to the elbow, so you have to stay. Keep your breath, keep your breath, keep your breath, keep breathing. You got it. Stay strong. How you feeling, Rich? Come on, keep pushing. Come on, guys. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Alright, here we go. Stand up the next exercise. It is the plank walker, y'all. Here we go. Start feet together. Okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna go leg close to me. Start out, out, down, down, in, up. So it goes. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 30 seconds start with your right, 30 seconds start with your left. Are we ready? Here we go. High plank. 3, 2, 1. Go. Right, left, down, down, right, left, up, again. Go right, right, down, and up. Keep pushing up. Go. Focus. Good, stay strong, and out, out, down, down, in. Good job, Tanya. Push out, and down. Keep breathing, and again, let's go. Out, down, good, and rest it out for 1 second. Rest it out, child's pose, okay? This is it, last exercise. Go to the other side. You guys ready? 3, 2, ready, go. Left, and down, and again, left, and down, and push, go, left, down, and up, left, down, and almost there, left, down, and push, left, down, and last one, left, down, and push. Good job. job. Knees down. Take it back. Alright. Let's start to stretch out that lower back first. Doing child's pose. Good job. Now, come up on all fours. Everybody, look at me. Check it out. And I want you to do is round your back and contract the core. Rounding your back. Knees together and thighs together. From here, go back and to child's pose. Now come all the way in. So you can lay on your mat, hips to the floor, hips to the floor. Bring your hands just to the outside of your shoulders and press up. Try to keep the hips down. Don't raise too far up. Make sure the hips stay on the floor. Even if you have slightly bent elbows and hold. Keep breathing. Keep that down. We do that one more time. Press it up. Breathe through. Take it down. Good job. Alright. Now come back into child's pose one more time. And then you want child's pose. Walk your hands back. Come on to your toes. Chin to your chest. Straighten out the legs and roll slow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand behind your mat, face front. How you guys feeling? Good. Take a deep breath inhale. Hold the hands up top. Lean over. Stretch out the oblique. To your right side. Take it up. Just the other side. Stretch out the oblique. Good job. Take it up. Drop the hands down. Bring your hands under your glutes. Just like this. Hands under the glutes. Okay? Then round over. Bend your knees. Straighten out, rolling up slow. Let's do that one more time. Bend the knees, round the back, chin and chest. Get up and straighten out. And take a deep breath in. Exhale out. One more time. Deep breath in. And exhale out. Shake it out, shake it out. That's insane ass for you, baby. Stay strong. Do it again. Be stronger next time. My name is Sean T. Peace out. Good job, y'all. You dry off so fast.
Would you like to get flat, firm, sexy abs without ever getting on the